This is a bad idea, Steve-O. Spotter's ready!
Put your pants up. You know we do it.